Welcome back. Now you can manage the users on your account by going to User Management and clicking Users. Now this is going to be a paid feature, so we're going to upgrade our account so that we can take a look at this feature. So once we've upgraded, we can add additional free users, again depending on our plan. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Users, and then we're going to add those users with their email address. What we're then going to do is click the Add button. That individual will then be part of our pending users. They'll then have to check their email in order to become part of our account. That individual will then have a Zoom account invitation. They'll then need to click this link to activate their account. They will then have a free level of your account to schedule their meetings. And then if you come back to your pending area, you hit your refresh button. That user then will be part of your users on your account. And you'll notice then that they are considered to be a basic or free member. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.